man, Jamaican shore fishing. Out on an adventure, I see some action in the water up there. Yeah man, out here, people trying to can't pick up in the morning, yeah, eh? Alright, come in now. I go on, man. I walk around on the river, yeah. And so we can pick up. Ambush section, yeah, man. Yeah. Watch yourself, Chris. See that? Yeah, man. But around here, so we normally cast some, Chris. On the side road here, so we can get a better cast. Eh? Probably. Geo, them always a pick up bird at your time.
No, I'm not really shoot around here, but I shoot on the next side.
Watch her right there, tip here, Geo. Hey, one of them I did in the water the other day, you know. I hit with an up on another, Chris. One of them, yeah. Yes, I. Well, we have to go through for fishing the backside sometime, eh? Look at this. Look at that. Ratted, see them there, Chris. Slow down, slow your roll. Look at that, slow your roll. Look at that, Geo. See them? See them? Yeah. Eh? Alright, yo. Lure and I bag, you know. And leader. Making sure fishing, people. Hook up. Oh, you set up back again, Chris? Hey, Chris? Yeah, man. Remember, say me go 15-pound line now, and I'm take off the 30-pound off of this. I'm go ultra light 15-pound line on it. That's why this line's so thin. So the lighter the line is, the further my cast gets. So now, like, I can target anywhere I really want to target. Come in, Joe. Come on, move. You ready, Chris? Hold on, Geo. Geo, set up your rod. Meantime, like how you're there, so. Are you just drop this a little while, Chris? Now come. I'll go get a lead. Hold up, give me that bag. So let me carry the bag so I feel a bit more comfortable with me carrying this. Because I get to access it easier. Hold the rod. Here, hold this. That's a lead. Put that lead on. And here goes a lure. Work with that squiddly tail, that white. See him? Yeah. So let's snook look wild. Yes, I. Up and gunning. Hold on there, Jim. Let me get the pliers. Ratted! Craven frigger. Going Craven. Watch your treble hook, Gio. One hook there top by back, you know. Me hear when he licky, you know. You can't get you out? You good? Alright, my G. Cool, no, man. Good shot, good shot. Yo, Gio just landed a snook. Yeah, man. Out there, peoples. They're making shore fishing. That's what's up. Good cast, Gio. Pull him in, pull him in. In big? In big? Pull him up, man. Don't swing him so, Gio. Jesus Christ.
Gotcha.
Yes, I. Eh? This a boat, yeah? I'm a spoon lower. Me a throw on a spoon lower murder jack, you know, man. Brother, how you left the gaff so far? How you left the gaff so far?
Right, this I got it.
Yeah. Watch out, you see that lure, yeah? A lure, I want a sick lure when it comes to jackfish, you know. You see glitter in that water we make? Look here. Oh, you're so lucky this morning on the lure this morning, boy. She have a knot in her line there, Gio. Yeah, take it out. Just take in here and take your time and pull it out. Take your time, you know. That what happened? That means that you're not pulling it back, man, and sort it out. I wonder if we can go up on the wharf and throw out right that's in front. Not on the wharf, you know, I talk on the wall, yeah. Oh. You all sitting again? Where you all? Geo, well, another jack. Geo going hot to the peoples. Yeah man, Geo going hot today people. Geo catch another jack again. I done here, somebody want to come in, Geo. See him. Hold him, Geo. Hold him. Come over here, sir. Just take your time. I got him. Squiggly tail I walk, man. I'm surprised that this lure now pick up none. Whoa! Hold one, Geo. Yo! Jamaica shore fishing, people. Calm down. Sure. I don't like deal with that treble hook and the damn fish them in more time, you know, man. One more, Geo.
Yeah, treble hooking about 3 days.
I see him where this one to me. I have to use the pliers to take him out. I see my man tell us that we have to have bait when he walk past again. Eh? I want to see when he walk past and tell we have to have bait. Yeah man, Jamaican shore fishing. We out here lure fishing, people. This is what's up. Me and Geo's out here killing it today. Geo's actually going harder than me, peoples. Geo's hit me 4-1 right now. I don't know if Chris hit anything yet. We told him to come over here where we were at. I'm gonna call Chris and tell him so we're going 5 jack over here already. You know. Yo. Yes! That's full of your body, the dog. Yo! Yes, Geo. Hold him, Geo. Yes, Geo. Aye! Another one. You out there too? Me a wire lead for him, you know. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, dear! Jamaican shore fishing, people. We got ourselves something here. Woo! What is this? What is that?
Yeah, man. You need to grab it, man? Yeah, that's the big one, man. That's the big jack.
Woo! I don't think so. He hooked pretty good. Jamaican shore fishing here, people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. You know the money yet. Wind up and feel the weight. Wind him, don't stop. Line up your jog. Wind him. Jada, hold this. Give it.
What is that? A stingray.
No?
Whoa, no, it's another jack. Bring him in, Jerry. What is that? Oh, what is that?
Suzie catch a box fish, dog. People, she catches.
Wait.
And then look how the fish hooked to her, Chris.
Look, I'm hooked. Wait a Jerry, wait.
Yo, son.
It's a new year.
Careful. Aye.
Don't move it.
Alright, good. Careful. Don't worry. Alright, let's go. Fisherman issues.
Let me just get one picture with him.
Hold this shit, let me take the
Happy New Year!
Who catches the boxfish? But Suzie just land a boxfish. Look there. Boxfish.
Wait, go back a little bit, Jerry.
Yo.
A boxfish?
Boxfish. Who does this?
Got me a boxfish.
Look at that.
Woo! You got it?
Hold the line, Jada.
Yeah.
Hold the line.
You taking it?
Hold on.
Wait.
Hold the line, Jada.
Tell me when you're doing it. Happy New Year!
Hold on.
You ready?
Yeah.
Happy New Year!
Who catches the boxfish? But Suzie just land a boxfish. Look there. Boxfish.
And Irish. Yo, Jerry, you tell yourself spot you over here so hot. It's hot. Huh?
Suzie just land a 3-pound jack on a boxfish. The blood creep, look what. Yo, she's on fire! Yeah. Jada, give me that. Eh? Watch it. You can't eat him, you know? A good roasting fish, you know? I roast you for roast him. Cut and skin him and roast him. Oh, I got a fish on too. A little yellow-tailed. It's right on the back of my bag right there.
Peeps, I'm out here. Look at him.
I forgot to tell you, I'm so happy about that big jack. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
Walk, too much.
You see, no, that was good, right? That was good for me walking. Hey, you see when I see when I pull him in and him reach the rock?
I know this one, I thought the one before. I thought the one before.
Thank you.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
Blue runner.
Blue runner.
Yeah.
Okay, stiff. Nice.
Killer! Yes, killer!
What? Can't say today never so bad, Chris.
I never catch anything, but I enjoyed watching it.
Oh my God.
Enjoyed watching it.
Chrissy, I come tomorrow?
Wherever.
Not even know.
Okay.
So peeps, you know it's a holiday. It's January 1st. I went out and I catch my first box fish. So you know it's catch and cook. So my oven is not working. So I'm gonna fix that bad boy up and drop him in my air fryer right there. It's in there.
My people. Look at that! Catch and cook! January 1st! Look at that!